Stop by and take a look at the 2016 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.